I know it has been a very long time since I have posted a new video, but hopefully this will be the first of a lot of new content. So keep our fingers crossed that, you know, I can get back in the swing of things. But thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. I really appreciate you guys rocking with your girl. If this is your first time here, please don't hesitate to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date whenever I upload a new video, and hit that bell while you're at it. You guys already know the YouTube drill, you know what to do. All right, let's get out into today's video. All right, so today I am going to be testing out 2 new products that Carol's daughter added to their Goddess Strength line. I got this package from Influencer. Shout out to Influencer and Carol's daughter for sending me this Voxbox complimentary for my honest opinion. This is what the box is looking like. I did go ahead and take a sneak peek inside because I had to. So what we have here is a Pre-Poo and a deep conditioner. And I have videos, I believe, on this line already. I'll definitely leave it in the cards and linked below in the description box for you guys if you want to go ahead and check that out. I do love this line in general, so I'm excited to see what these products are that they've added. So this is the Ultra Shield Pre-Poo for weak breakage prone hair, with castor oil, ginger, black cumin seed. So what it looks like. It says, I'm just gonna read the back here. A goddess embodies ultimate strength, so should her hair. Shield and protect your curls and coils before the cleansing process begins. Our rich and creamy Pre-Poo treatment blended with castor oil, ginger, and black cumin seed creates a protective layer around hair to help detangle and reinforce strength before wetting your hair to help minimize breakage on wash day. The directions are: before cleansing, apply to dry hair and distribute evenly from root to tip. Leave on for 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. And you follow with the shampoo and conditioner. So I am going to use everything from this line since I do have the shampoo and conditioner already. But let's get started with this Pre-Poo. Before I put that on, I'll just show you guys the second product. If I can get it open. All right, this is the Repairing Cocoon Mask. This is what it's looking like. Yes. Oh, it's thick. It smells like the rest of the line, very thick. That's how we like our hair masks and deep conditioners to be. And for this, it says, after shampooing and conditioning, activate by rubbing formula between palms and directly onto hair. Work thoroughly into wet hair and let sit for 5 minutes. Rinse well. I already know that what I'm gonna love about these products is that you don't have to leave them on your hair forever and ever, because as a mom, like, I'm realizing now my hair care routine is all about in and out, like what I can do to make the process faster. So I love that these are going to be taking care of my strands, but also not going to be taking a lot of time. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so this is the little protective style I had my hair in, just some flat twists. So we're gonna get on into these section by section. I also definitely see why a lot of moms cut their hair. I definitely have thought about big chopping several times. I love my hair, don't get me wrong, but it's just, the longer your hair gets, the more work it becomes. So, you know, there's that. Do a quick little one with your Creole. Oh wow, yeah, my hair is, whew. Yeah, it's pretty long. It's getting there. Please excuse my background too, all the different things you see. My life is, you know, what I was trying to say, my life is, you know, this is real life out here. So that's what I have. Smells, the whole line smells very similar. From root to end. Been dealing with some postpartum hair loss, You know, my baby boy done snatched my little edges, but I think they're growing back. I've been trying to do these little manipulation styles, things that aren't, you know, a lot of nothing that's super high tension. So for the most part, my hair has either been in like some kind of flat twist or just something that's not like pulling on it or tugging at it that much. It's a very loose situation up front here because I'm just trying to give the babies their best chance at regrouping. But postpartum shedding is so real. I had no idea. I really thought I escaped it, and then because it doesn't happen right away. I definitely say for me, I know they say it can happen between like 4 to 6 months. Right at that, about like 5 months is when I noticed like so much shedding happening, and just my edges, just 2 problem areas. I'll see if I get a chance to show y'all, but I've just been super self-conscious about it at first, and then I just kind of got over it and was like, you know what, like everything else, it shall pass. So this has, I would say, pretty decent slip. Is it the best? I don't know if I would say it's the best, but I definitely feel the slip, and it is making detangling easy for me. So I would say it's a good enough amount of slip. It's not, this isn't challenging. Like finger detangling is going pretty smooth, as you guys can see. I am using quite a bit of product per section because I got a lot of hair and I just want to make sure I coat everywhere, and I try to get as much tangles out as possible. So I'm just gonna finish up finger detangling, and then I'm gonna do a once over with my white tooth comb. And then we're gonna twist this back up. Don't know if you guys can hear that, but my little baby boy is making some noise in the background there. I will probably have him in my next video, maybe. You guys will meet him eventually. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen his cute little face, and he does have his own IG. Definitely go visit my Instagram and you'll get all that information. You can follow the both of us. Alrighty guys, so it's been longer than 10 minutes. I had to go handle some things. I also realized I was filming on the wrong setting before, so sorry about that. It's really been a while. This is what my hair is looking like. Alright, these pins. You guys may not see me actually apply the deep conditioner. We'll see. A lot goes into filming these wash day videos, so I'm trying to move as fast as I can. So we'll see, but let me just refresh myself on the instructions. Activate between my palms and apply directly to my hair. Work thoroughly into wet hair and just let it sit for 5 minutes. Perfect, because by the time I do each section, it'll be time to rinse out at the end anyways. So this is what my hair is looking like. now I'm gonna apply this Repairing Cocoon Mask. I'm going to place the product within my fingers, then activate in between my palms and apply to my hair from root to tip. Y'all, this formula right here feels so luxurious. It is like you are having a hair spa day. Like, it just feels like such a rich formula. I love it. It has great slip. It was like easy to finish up the detangling. Like, my hair was just, as you can see, the finger detangling was really simple for me to do, and it removed any of the last and final shed hairs. Very minimal shed hairs at this point since this is the end of the wash routine, but I love these products. Like, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like at the end of the timing on this same section in the next clip, and then I will also show you guys a clip at the end after I wash out the product. But again, I love these two products. They're a great addition to the line. The Pre-Poo was working wonderfully at getting your hair prepared for the wash day routine, and this hair mask is like gold. Like, my hair was so moisturized, soft, visibly shiny. Like, you see that shine. Curls are popping. So I would definitely recommend these two products and this whole line. Everything works flawlessly together. So I'll leave links for everything in the description box below of where you can get your hands on these products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And until next time, bye guys.